If you want to know how to delete games in itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to remove a game from your PC. And if you're using the itch.io app, I'll also show you the uninstall option there too. This is a quick and easy process, and it's helpful if you want to free up storage, clean up your game library, or just remove a game you no longer need. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, if you downloaded the game to your computer, go to the Game folder on your PC. This is the folder where the game files are stored, and deleting it will remove the downloaded game from your computer. Once you find the folder, right-click on it to bring up the menu. From that menu, click Delete. Your system may ask you to confirm the action, and if it does, go ahead and confirm it. After that, the folder will be removed, and the game files will no longer be taking up space on your device. Now, if you installed the game through the itch.io app, the process is a little different, but still very simple. Open the itch.io app on your computer, then go to your library. This is where all of your installed itch.io games are listed. Find the game you want to remove, right-click on it, and then click Uninstall. That will remove the game through the app and clear it from your library installation list. A quick note here, deleting the game folder on your PC removes the local files, while uninstalling through the itch.io app is the cleaner option if the game was managed by the app. If you're trying to fully remove a game, make sure you use the method that matches how you installed it. And if you ever want to reinstall it later, you can usually download it again from your itch.io library or game page, depending on the developer setup. That's really all there is to it. Whether you're deleting the folder manually or using the itch.io app's uninstall button, you can remove games in just a few clicks. I hope this video made the process easy to understand and saved you some time. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.